So welcome to Land Rover Classic. Pretty special place. Not far from here is where we prepped the defenders for No Time to Die.
All right.
Yeah, a lot of history here. This is the first Land Rover, 1948.
So simple. I mean, like all the different controls. It looks amazing.
Let's have a walk through, see the workshop, have a look. This is a very special room.
This is the kind of aisle where you're like, I'll have one of those, and I'll have one of those.
It's got lots of first editions, very special cars. There's one of ours. I remember when we came up to test it and then realised that this is like the very first new Defender off the production line. And I was driving them really hard.
Yeah, I know you were.
They all were driven above and beyond.
There's literal blood and sweat in there, isn't there?
Oh, yeah, definitely. And another one of our favourites.
Oh, yeah. Well, part of the reason to picking a classic, it's Daniel going back to his roots, right? There's a lot of events that have shaped him, and I think using a classic vehicle sort of ties that together. Both are sort of these salty dogs that have experienced the world.
So this was one of our SVRs, our drivers. They were outrunning the helis in these.
This was a different animal for many different reasons, including what the story was asking for. And I knew more or less where it would go.
Were you still writing at the time, weren't you?
I'm still writing it now, actually.
Yeah.
Speaking of that,
Yeah.
should we take one for a spin?
Have you driven one of these, Paul?
Nope. What happens if I press that button?
Don't press the red button.